I hope you're having a lovely morning, afternoon, or evening. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a half up, half down. There are two pretty common ways to do this style. One of them, which I prefer, is you grab sort of the front parts of your hair, you pull them back like so. Another one is when you take usually a little bit more of the hair and you kind of pull it all back like this. Now I will be showing you both ways to do that. I personally prefer the first one because I just think it kind of fits more with my face shape, my hair, all that sort of thing. But if you like the second one, I'll be showing you that one as well. Let's get into the tutorial. I hope you enjoy. Now what you want to do first for typically all these styles is brush your hair. Now if you have curly or really thick, wavy hair, from what I know from various friends and stuff, it's kind of hard, kind of a pain, you really can't brush your hair, but that's okay, as long as you kind of get it just like detangled enough that you can still work with it, pull it back and everything. So then what you want to do first, second, is you grab, I usually go to like my ear right here. You grab just a nice little chunk of the hair, and it all just kind of depends how much hair you want to go back, whatever, because whenever you pull it back, I usually like it so that my ear is showing in this little spot. I usually like just having my ear showing out like that, or you can even take just tiniest little bit of hair and let it fall over your ears. It all kind of depends on you, what you want the style to be, how you want to look. So you take one part, separate that, then you take all this back hair, throw it over your shoulder. Okay? Then keep that out in front. You can even clip it if you want, whatever, just keep it out in front here. Then you go to the other side, take the same amount. Now whichever side that the part is on, I have it on my right side. So this little piece of hair is going to be a little thinner than the other one, but it's not the end of the world here. It'll be fine. So yeah, you take same amount of hair, starting at the same spot. Okay. Then I kind of do this a little weird, but I bring my hands like that, grab it with my thumbs, and I pull it back like that. Now what you want to do first is grab the two pieces of your hair and just put it into one hand. Alright, then you go grab your ponytail holder. Ignore me struggling to grab one, please. Take your ponytail holder. Alright, and then you put it on your wrist, grab it, and then from here you can grab the extra hairs just so they don't get in the way. You can pull them back. Then from here, it's pretty much just a ponytail. Pull it over, do the figure 8, grab, pull through. Figure 8, grab, pull through. And then you can do this as many times as you want. It all depends on the thickness of the hair, texture, all that. Then from here you can kind of loosen it a bit. I like to do this little fancy thing where you take it and you twist it. So you flip the ponytail. Well, first you want to make sure there's no excess hairs sticking up in there. Loosen it a bit so it's a little easier. Then you take that ponytail, twist it through. I usually do it about once or twice. Again, it depends on the style. Then you take it, loosen the strands a bit, well, just depending on how you like it to look. And that's how you do the first style of a half up, half down. This is how it looks. Yeah, I usually like having my ears kind of peek out. I like to wear earrings with this style. And I will show you the second way. Now for the second way of doing it, I'm gonna just brush your hair a little more. And then you just brush all of it back. Now my hair is still a little wet right now. I just washed it, so it's gonna stay back a little easier. But let me just keep pulling it back. As long as you have it just generally going this way, that's good enough. Then I usually start at my ears, because again, I like to have my ears peek out a little bit. but you can always start from up here, go however thick, however big, how much ever hair you want. So I start at the ears, take my pointers, kind of drag it through, kind of creating a line. Then kind of clamp it like that, bring it all into this hand. Kind of just pull it through, toss it back in between your fingers, just to make sure that you have all of it there, getting rid of any extra hairs, having them fall down to the side like this. What you want to do first is, gather all the hair and sling it over your shoulder just so it stays out of the way. Then you grab your ponytail holder, put it on your wrist, and it's pretty much just a regular ponytail again. You can't really see it from the terrible camera angle. I am so sorry for that. But you're essentially doing the thing you did in the first method, just a regular ponytail. And again, you can do it as many times as you need. You can even loosen it if you really want to. And you're done. And that is how you do the second method of a half down. Now, like in all my tutorials, I now showed you how to do it on yourself. Now I'm going to show you how to do it on someone else. Alright, so for the first method on someone else, you grab just the parts of the hair on either side, making sure they're equal. Okay. Then you grab those two pieces, pull them back, take all that excess hair to the side, hold it in one hand, take the ponytail holder, put it on your wrist, grab the hair, take the ponytail holder, and make a ponytail. Do the figure 8, grab, pull through, figure 8, grab, pull through. Keep doing so as many times as needed. Then you have the half down. You can loosen it a bit, flip it through if you'd like, pull it through, grab all that hair, and there you go. Now for the second way of doing a half down on someone else, you take their hair, pull it all back, making sure it's all back, pulling any excess hairs down so they don't get caught in the style. Okay. Drag it through. Grab your ponytail holder, put it on your wrist, grab it, and make a ponytail. Pull it off, through, figure 8, grab, pull through, figure 8, grab, and pull through. And you can loosen it a little bit if you like. And there you go. Alright, that concludes the tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all learned something new. If you liked this video, feel free to leave a like, maybe even leave a comment if you have something to say. If you like this video so much and you want to see more, feel free to subscribe. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day or night, and I will see you in the next one.